Hear this, as I won't repeat it. Drive the car.
Someone help me! Huh? What the? I don't get it! What's going on?
Your job is to catch up to that truck. Fail to do so, and you die.
Yes, sir!
I still sense DIO's sinister bloodlust. He's coming for us.
Seems like there's a traffic jam. I'm sorry, sir. The evening commute is always bumper to bumper.
Move it.
But we're stuck here. There's just too much traffic.
Have you forgotten there's a sidewalk? Use it.
But it's covered with people heading home from work.
And your point? Go.
Yes, sir.
Faster.
Yes, sir. Oh, the things I do for you! But I've done everything you've asked, so you'll spare my life, right? There's no need to kill a helpless senator!
Wrong. Found you. Now get closer. We need to catch up to them.
Here he comes. Kakyoin! Emerald Splash! Unbelievable! But how do you like this? He even dodged the concentrated splash? Damn it! When did he bring out his stand? How could I have missed that?
Well, that's a shame. He's too far away now.
What's happening?
And what precisely would I gain by explaining this situation to you? Pay attention to the road and drive.